Okay, my dear students, good morning. Today we do some question from Readmore Opt.Maths class 10, unit 5, Trigonometry, exercise 1, page 176, question number 5. Okay, let's start from 5a. On 5 we have so that 1 minus 10 square 45 degree minus a whole upon 1 plus 10 square 45 degree minus a equal to sine 2a. Let's start its solution. Here, left hand side, LHS equal to 1 minus 10 square 45 degree minus a whole upon 1 plus 10 square 45 degree minus a. This is in the form of 1 minus 10 square theta whole upon 1 plus 10 square theta. Here theta means 45 degree minus a. Then it becomes 1 minus 10 square theta whole upon 1 plus 10 square theta. This is the formula of cos 2 theta. So cos 2 45 degree minus a. Give the region because 1 minus 10 square theta upon 1 plus 10 square theta equal to cos 2 theta. This is the formula of cos 2 theta. Now cos 2 into 45 degree. 45 to the 90. So cos 90 degree minus 2 into a 2. This multiplied by 2. This is cos 90 degree minus theta form. It is sin theta. So give the reason because cos 90 degree minus theta equal to sin theta because 90 minus theta lies in first quadrant. This equals to RHS proved. Now B, we have 2 tan 45 degree minus a whole upon 1 plus 10 square 45 degree minus a equal to cos 2a. Now its solution. Here left hand side LHS equal to 2 tan 45 degree minus a whole upon 1 plus 10 square 45 degree minus a. Okay, this is in the form of 2 tan theta upon 1 plus 10 square theta. If 45 degree minus a supposes theta. So 2 tan theta upon 1 plus 10 square theta. This is the formula of sin 2 theta. So we can write sin 2 45 degree minus a because 2 tan theta upon 1 plus 10 square theta equal to sin 2 theta. This is the formula. Now this equal to sin 2 into 45 90 degree 2 into minus a minus 2a multiplied by 2. Now sin 90 degree minus 2a, this is sin 90 minus theta 1, sin 90 minus theta, that is cos theta. So sin 90 minus 2a cos 2a because we know that sin 90 degree minus theta equal to cos theta, which is the RHS. So it is proved. Now next question. C. On C we have what 45 degree minus a equal to tan 2a plus sec 2a. Tan 2a plus sec 2a. We solution. Here LHS equal to cot 45 degree minus a This is in the form of cot A minus B. So using formula cot B cot A plus 1 all upon cot B minus cot A, because cot A minus B equal to cot B cot A plus 1 whole upon cot B minus cot A by adding this one. Here A means 45, B means 8. Now we know that cot 45 degree, its value is 1. So it becomes cot A plus 1 whole upon cot A minus 1, because cot 45 degree equal to 1. Now this equals to, changing into sign first, cot, that is cos A by sin A plus 1 upon cot A, that is again cos A by sin A minus 1. Taking LCM, cos A plus sin A 1 upon sin A upon cos A minus sin A 1 upon sin A. Denominator part sin A cancel out, remaining cos A plus sin A, cos A plus sin A 1 upon cos A minus sin A. Now on the RHS we obtain, that is 1 by cos 2A, sec 2A 1 by tan A, sin A by sin 2A by cos 2A, and sec 2A 1 by cos 2A. On both, denominator is cos 2A, so to get cos 2A we need cos square A minus sin square A, so it is multiplied by cos A plus sin A upon cos A plus sin A. Now this equals to denominator part cos A plus sin A, cos A minus sin A, makes cos square A minus sin square A minus B plus B, A square minus B square. Upper part cos A plus sin A, cos A plus sin A plus B, A plus B, A plus B whole square. So it makes cos A plus sin A whole square. Now finding this A plus B whole square from A square cos square A plus B square sin square A plus 2AB to cos A sin A or to sin A cos A. Whole upon cos square A minus sin square A, that is cos 2A. Cos square plus sin square 1 plus 2 sin A cos A, that is sin 2A whole upon cos 2A. This equals to 1 by cos 2A, breaking it, plus sin 2A by cos 2A. We know 1 by cos 2A, that is sec 2A, plus sin 2A by cos 2A, that is tan 2A. Now this equals to sec 2A plus tan 2A, we can write tan 2A plus sec 2A. This equal to RHS proved. Now next question D. On D we have 1 by sin 10 degree minus 3 by cos 10 degree, this equal to 4. The solution here LHS equal to 1 by sin 10 degree minus root 3 by cos 10 degree. Now taking LCM is sin 10 degree and cos 10 degree. Now it becomes upper part 1 minus root 3 sin 10 degree. Now this is equal to both multiply by 2 here. Sin a cosec. To make 2 sin a cosec, multiply both by 2 2 by 2 sin 10 degree cos 10 degree. Putting 2 2. Now it becomes 1 minus root 3 sin 10 degree. Again multiply by another 2. 2 into 2, then 1 by 2 here cos 10, taking LCM, cos 10 minus root 3 sin 10. Let's say 10 into 1 cos 10, root 3 into sin 10, root 3 sin 10, cos 10 minus this. Now this multiply by 2 times cos 10 minus root 3 sin 10 upon 2 sin 10 cos 10. Putting 2 again, putting another 2 into 2, 1 by 2 cos 10 minus root 3 by 2 sin 10, 1 upon 2 sin 10 cos 10, that is sin 2 into 10 sin 2a, to sin a cos a sin 2a. Now 2 to the 4, 1 by 2, that is sin 30 cos 10 minus root 3 by 2, that is cos 30 sin 10, 1 upon sin 2 into 10 sin 20. Now this is equal to 4 times sin 30 cos 10 minus cos 30 sin 10, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. This is sin a minus b form, so we can write sin a means 30 minus b is 10. Sin 30 degree minus 10 goes upon sin 20, 4 sin 30 minus 10, 20 degree upon sin 20, remaining 4, which is RHS root. Now next question, part A. On A we have root 3 cosec 20 degree minus sec 20 degree equal to 4. Root 3 cosec 20 degree minus sec 20 degree equal to 4. Its solution. Here LHS equal to root 3 cosec 20 degree minus sec 20 degree. First convert into sin cos. Cosec 1 by sin, so it is equal to root 3 by sin 20 minus sec 1 by cos, so 1 by cos 20. Now taking LCM, sin 20 dot cos 20, upper part root 3 into cos 20, root 3 cos 20 minus sin 20 1 sin 20. Now putting 2 on both sides, both parts, numerator and denominator, 2 times root 3 cos 20 minus sin 20 upon 2 sin 20 cos 20. Now 2 sin 20 cos 20, that becomes sin 2a form, sin 2 into 20. Upper part again, putting another 2 into 2, then root 3 by 2 cos 20 minus 1 by 2 sin 20. Now this is equal to 2 to the 4, root 3 by 2, that is sin 60 cos 20 minus 1 by 2, that is cos 60 sin 20. whole upon sine 2 into 20 sine 40. Now sine 60 cos 20 minus cos 60 sine 20. Sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. This is one of sine A minus B. So sine here A means 60, B means 20. Sine 60 minus 20. Whole upon sine 40. Whose sine 60 minus 20, 40 degree upon sine 40 is equal to 4. We go to RHS, so it is proved. Now next question, yeah. On F we have cos cube 20 plus sin cube 10 equal to 3 by 4 times cos 20 plus sin 10. Now its solution. Here LHS equal to cos cube 20 plus sin cube 20 degree. Now we have the formula of sin 3a and cos 3a. Sin 3a equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. From this we get sin cube a equal to 1 by 4 times 3 sin a minus sin 3a. Similarly, cos 3a equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. From this we can get formula of cos cube a. Cos cube a equal to 1 by 4 times 3 cos a plus cos 3a. Now using this formula here, cos cube a pattern, this is sin cube, here 10 degree, as this is your sin cos cube 20 plus sin cube 10 degree, angle are different. Now using formula cos cube a, this formula, here a means 20 degrees, so this is equal to 1 by 4 times 3 cos a is 20 degree plus cos 3a 3 times 20 degree plus sin cube 10, using this formula sin cube a is equal to 1 by 4 times 3 sin a, here a is 10 degree minus sin 3 times a, sin 3 times of 10 degree. Now this equal to using this and this formula and cube a and cos cube a pattern. Now this equal to 1 by 4, taking 1 by 4 common, 1 by 4 common, remaining 3 cos 20 plus cos 3 into 20, 23 is 60, cos 60 degree plus 3 sin 10 minus sin 3 10 is 30, 3 10 is 30 degree sin 30 degree, 1 by 4 is already common. This equal to 1 by 4 times 3 cos 20 cos 60 value of cos 61 by 2 plus 3 sin 10 minus sin 30 value of sin 30 also 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cancel out, remaining 1 by 4, here 3 common, so 1 by 4 into 3, 3 by 4, remaining cos 20 plus sin 10 degree, which is the RHS. So that is proved. Okay, now next question G. 10 pi divided by 4 plus theta minus 10 pi divided by 4 minus theta equals to 210 2 theta. We know that pi radian equals to 180 degree equals to 200 grade. This is radian system, circular measurement. This is degree system, hexadecimal system. This is grade system, centesimal system. So pi divided by 2 equals to 180 by 2, 90 degree. Pi divided by 3 equals to 180 by 3, 60 degree. Pi divided by 4 equals to 180 by 4, 45 degree. And pi divided by 6 equals to 180 by 6, 30 degree, and so on. Now we start the solution. Here LHS equal to 10 pi divided by 4 plus theta minus 10 pi divided by 4 minus theta. Now we can convert pi divided by 4 in terms of degree. Pi by 4, that is 45 degree. So 10 45 degree plus theta minus 10 45 degree minus theta. Now you can have 10a plus b, 10a plus 10b. So 10 45 plus 10 theta all upon 1 minus 10a 10b. 1 minus 10 45 10 theta minus here 10a minus b form. So that is 10a minus b, 10 45 minus 10 theta all upon 1 plus 10 a 10b. So 1 plus 10 45 10 theta. We know that the value of 10 45 is 1, so becomes 1 plus 10 theta all upon 1 minus 10 theta minus 1 minus 10 theta all upon 1 plus 10 theta, because 10 45 degree equal to 1. Now taking LCM, 1 minus 10 theta, 1 plus 10 theta. 1 plus 10 into 1 plus 10, 1 plus 10 theta whole square. 1 minus 10 into 1 minus 10, 1 minus 10 theta whole square. Now it is a plus b whole square form. This is a minus b whole square form. Or we can use a square minus b square form. So a square minus b square, a plus b, 1 plus 10 theta plus 1 minus 10 theta. A plus b, similarly a minus b, 1 plus 10 theta minus 1 minus 10 theta. A square minus b square form. A plus b, a minus b. All upon a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square. Now this equals to here 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 10 theta minus 10 theta cancel out, remaining 2. Here 1 minus 1 cancel out, 10 minus minus plus 10, 10 plus 10 to 10 upon 1 minus 10 square theta. This equals to 2 times 2 10 theta upon 1 minus 10 square theta. 2 10 upon 1 minus 10 square, that is further up 10 to theta. So 10 to theta, 2 times 10 to theta equal to RHS. So it is proved. Okay, now next question. Yes, 10 pi divided by 4 plus theta plus 10 pi divided by 4 minus theta equal to 2 sec 2 theta. Now its solution. Here LHS equal to 10 pi divided by 4 plus theta plus 10 pi divided by 4 minus theta. As you know, pi radian equal to 180 degree. So pi by 4, 180 by 4, that is 45 degree. So we can write 10 45 degree plus theta plus 10 45 degree minus theta. This is 10a plus b form, this is 10a minus b form using formula 10a plus b. 10a plus 10b, so 1045 plus 10 theta will open 1 minus 10a 10b, so 1 minus 1045 degree dot 10 theta. Here 10a minus b comes, so 10a minus 10b, 1045 minus 10 theta will open 1 plus 10a 10b, so 1 plus 1045 dot 10 theta. Now we know 1045 equal to 1, so it becomes 1 plus 10 theta all upon 1 minus 10 theta plus here 1 minus 10 theta all upon 1 plus 10 theta. We know that value of 1045 degree equal to 1. Now taking LCM, 1 plus 10 into 1 plus 10, 1 plus 10 theta whole square plus 1 minus 10 into 1 minus 10, 1 minus 10 theta whole square. Whole upon LCM is 1 minus 10 theta 1 plus 10 theta. Now this equal to a plus b whole square from expanding this a square 1 square plus 2ab 2 into 1 into 10 theta plus b square 10 theta whole square equals b whole square, a square plus 2a plus b square. Similarly here a minus b whole square plus 1 square minus 2 into 1 into 10 theta plus b square 10 theta whole square. Whole upon a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. 1 square minus 10 theta whole square. Now 1 square plus 1 square. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 10 positive, 2 10 negative, cancel out. 10 square plus 10 square, 2 10 square. 1 square 1 minus 10 theta whole square, 10 square theta. Taking 2 common, remaining 1 plus 10 square theta all upon 1 minus 10 square theta. Now this equal to 2 upon 1 minus 10 square theta upon 1 plus 10 square theta. 2 by 1 minus 10 square upon 1 plus 10 square, that is 1/2 plus 2 theta. So 2 by cos 2, that is 2. 1 by cos, that is sec 2 theta. 1 by cos is sec. So 2 sec 2 theta equal to RHS. It is proved. Okay, students, now 5i. We have 10 theta plus 10 60 degree plus theta plus 10 120 degree plus theta equal to 3 10 3 theta. Now its solution. Here LHS equal to 10 theta plus 10 60 degree plus theta plus 10 120 degree plus theta. Now this equal to 10 theta. Here 10a plus b form here also tan A plus B form. Using formula of tan A plus B, tan 60 degree plus tan theta all upon 1 minus tan 60 dot tan theta. Similarly here, tan A plus B form. So tan 120 degree plus tan theta all upon 1 minus tan 120 degree dot tan theta. Using formula of tan A plus B, because tan A plus B equal to tan A plus tan B all upon 1 minus tan A dot tan B by using this formula of tan A plus B. Now we know that tan 60 root 3, tan 60 degree equal to root 3, and tan 120 degree equal to minus root 3. Tan 120 lies in second quadrant, so your tan is negative. Now putting values, we get this equal to tan theta tan 60 root 3 plus tan theta all upon 1 minus root 3 tan theta plus tan 120 minus root 3 plus tan theta all upon 1 minus into minus root 3, double minus 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 plus root 3 tan theta. Now taking LCM of all three terms, 1 minus root 3 tan theta, 1 plus root 3 tan theta. Now what part? Tan theta multiply with 1 minus root 3, 1 plus root 3, both. A minus B, A plus B, A square minus B square, 1 is square 1 minus root 3 tan theta whole square, 3 tan square theta multiply this both. A minus B, A plus B, A square minus B square, 1 is square 1, root 3 tan theta whole square, 3 tan square theta. Plus this root 3 tan theta, root 3 plus tan theta multiply with this. So root 3 plus tan theta into 1 plus root 3 tan theta. Similarly, 1 minus root 3 tan theta multiply with minus root 3 plus tan theta plus 1 minus root 3 tan theta. This multiply with minus root 3 plus tan theta. Minus root 3 plus tan theta. So taking LCM in this step, LCM of first, second, third, all three parts together. Now this equal to A minus B, A plus B, A square minus B square, 1 square is 1 minus root 3 tan theta whole square is 3 tan square theta. Now upper part, simplifying, tan theta into 1 tan theta minus tan theta into 3 tan square, 3 tan into tan square, tan cube theta plus root 3 into 1, root 3 1 is root 3, root 3 into root 3 tan theta, root 3 into root 3, 3 tan theta. Now tan theta into 1 plus tan theta into root 3 tan theta, root 3 tan into tan square theta. Now this into this, 1 into minus root 3, 1 into tan theta plus tan theta, minus root 3 tan theta into minus root 3, minus root 3 minus root 3, minus minus plus root 3 into 3 tan theta, and minus root 3 tan theta into tan theta, minus root 3 tan into tan square theta. Simplifying this, now this equal to denominator part 1 minus 3 tan square theta, upper part adding like terms, tan theta plus tan theta, 3 tan theta, 1 3 1 5, 3 close to 5, 6 7 8 9, so 9 10 theta. Now minus 3 10 cubed theta minus plus root 3 minus root 3, this cancels out. Then minus root 3 10 square theta and plus root 3 10 square theta cancels out, remaining minus 3 10 cube theta, 9 10 theta minus 3 10 cube theta. Now is equal to, taking 3 common on the numerator, 3 3s are 9, so 3 common, 3 10 theta minus 10 cube theta all upon 1 minus 3 10 square theta. Now this is equal to 3 10 theta minus 10 cube theta all upon 1 minus 3 10 square theta. This is the formula of tan 3 theta. So this is equal to 3 times tan 3 theta, which is the RHS. So this is RHS. So it is proved. Okay, students, this much for today. Have a nice study. Have a nice time. See you soon.